Goodnight bird. On a tree, on a hill, was a bird that would not sleep.
I'm not tired.
Bird said, as the sun turned pink and the sky turned dark. Sleep, said the sun. You need your rest. Now close your eyes and get in your nest.
Well, I'm not tired.
Bird said, as the sun went down and the moon lit up. Sleep, said the moon. I mean that. You're a little bird. You're not a bat.
I'm not tired.
Bird said with a yawn as the owl woke up and the stars came out. Sleep, said the stars. We saw you yawn. Now lay your beak down and don't wake till dawn.
Well, I'm not tired.
Bird said one time more as his eyes closed and he began to snore. And he snored, and he snored, and he snored. The end. Did that bird remind you of anyone? Tickety. Yeah, me too. Hey, Tickety. Tickety? You're right, Blue. That bird was staying up all night, just like Tickety. And now, Tickety's sleeping, just like that bird. Okay, Blue, you're right. Ugh, it's definitely bedtime. Are you ready? All right, let's see. Pajamas on. Face washed? Teeth brushed? All right then. We're ready for bed.